Today's project is removing popcorn ceiling. I've done quite a few of these, and I always get the question, what do you do when it's painted? You walk the other way. You don't even take the job. I've been lucky. Haven't been asked to do a painted one, and if I did do a painted one, the price would be 5-10 times more than if it's not painted. Getting rid of popcorn ceiling is a major upgrade at this point in time. Back in the early 90s and 80s, 70s, long stretch of time, popcorn ceiling was acceptable. Now it's not. So it's one of the first things people do when they are going to upgrade their house. This is a close-up of popcorn ceiling. Doing corners, you gotta be gentle because there's tape, joint compound tape, fire tape, drywall tape on the edge there, and you don't want your knife going on the wrong side of it. So you gotta go a little slow around there. Carpet is coming out. I will be putting plastic down, be masking off this, wrap the fan up. I'll get to the specialty tools, not very specialty, but I'll get to the tools and the methods and close-ups, and I'll show you any problems I encounter. I don't anticipate any problems. Fingers crossed. This video is brought to you by Raid Shadow Legends. The game is free to play on Android, iOS, and PC. There's millions of players, bosses, and champions. You gather your champions to fight kings, wizards, and dragons. I love checking out all the different champions, all their different details and skills. I like figuring out how each champion can defeat the dungeon bosses. This month, Raid just released their biggest ever update. The main event here is the Doom Tower. It's a giant tower with 120 floors, a bunch of secret challenge rooms, and 12 secret badass bosses to take on. I've been waiting for this for a long time, and I can't wait to dive in. On top of that, they're also releasing 14 awesome new champions just in time for the holidays, along with a whole host of holiday events and tournaments. If you want to get a head start in Raid, all you have to do is hit the link in the description, and if you're a new player, you'll get a free Void Champion Bulwark, 50 gems, an XP booster, some energy refills, and even an ancient shard as soon as you get in the game. All this treasure is waiting for you here. You can find me in the game under the name Cockgun, and if you're quick enough, you can even join my clan. It's that easy. Just click the link in the description, and I'll see you in the game. The most essential tool for this job is the garden sprayer with hot water in it. You can get aggressive with this. Don't start with a little misty spray pattern, or don't even think to try to use a little squirt bottle. Drive you nuts waiting for the water to release the popcorn from the sheetrock that's above it. I crank this sucker up, pump it. See this little misty pattern here? You can do that. Spray it around and wait. You need a lot of water to get this to work. Start out light and ease your way into it, and you'll learn the right amount of saturation for what you have on your ceilings. You don't want the paper on the sheetrock or drywall that's up there to get so saturated that it just turns to mush and starts scraping off. It can get wet, and it will get wet, but you don't want to damage it. This carpet's getting ripped out, the padding's getting ripped out. I got plastic down, so I'm not concerned even a little bit about water falling down. Now, getting on me and this awesome official original Cockgun shirt, I gotta get suited up. We got all our PPP Cockgun protective gear on. If I could bring a garden hose in here, I would. Now, you're gonna do this in staggered stages because it takes time for this water to soak in. So once you get started, you will get your pattern down. So you'll have one section like this section here that is fully saturated, and then you'll come out here and kind of give this one a pre-soak. Then you'll scrape here and then come back to here. This one should be ready, or if it's not ready, give it a full final soak and then give the next section a pre-soak. This is a messy job. It is. If you try to stick tape up here, the water wets the tape and it comes down anyways. While I'm waiting for that area to kind of saturate, I got my light, my filming light right here up close, and you can get an idea of how dirty those little popcorn kernels are. You can see they hold dust big time. Look at that. That is so nasty. And that is on every popcorn ceiling. Okay, now we're just going to test an area. This is the largest knife I use. You can use larger, but you get a little too greedy, you try to get too much done at one time, you can lose control of the knife and start catching edges. So this one is not ready, and I'll show you why. So right there, you can see that the water just started to soak through. You want more wet spots so that this just shaves right off real easy. Even though it looks like this is coming off easy, it's not. There's going to be a lot more sanding and touch-up if you don't let it soak in just a little bit more. There you go. That's what you want, and that's the color you want. See those spots there? You want it more like right there. It comes off super clean, and there's very little sanding to be done once it all dries. Here's a quick shot of what it looks like before I've done anything to it. There's a nail hole there. That area will be sanded. These seams look real good. Real good. I'll have to address that line right there a little bit. Another area is right here. You can easily see that. It'll need to get floated out. So all that is going to be in the next video. That's right. I'm making this into a multi-part video series. So this is the first part. I think I showed you the water stain from the tub that's upstairs. But you will see how I prep this room for doing the ceiling and all the extra steps I got to do to get this to a great looking ceiling. Notice we don't have downlighting. If we had recessed downlighting, you can get away with a lot of imperfections. But since we got this, the main source of light is this ceiling fan and probably a lamp that's going to shine up. You got to have it extra clean, extra perfect. Okay. Oh geez, I got a little bit of stuff on the original one and only Caulk Gun t-shirt. Questions, put them down below. Didn't get electrocuted, nothing on the fan, didn't have to take it down. See, a lot of nail holes, a lot of nail holes. It's good being here at different lighting situations. Tomorrow I'll get some natural light coming in through here. Don't have to worry about too much natural light because there's a house like 10 feet away and this room is never going to get sun coming in it. Goodbye.